Throw a frisbee, mastering this fun English phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and interesting English phrase. Throw a frisbee. Whether you're a language enthusiast or just curious about English idioms, you're in for a treat. So, let's get started and unravel the excitement behind this phrase. Throw a frisbee is a phrase that is both literal and metaphorical in English. To understand it fully, we need to break it down. Throw refers to the action of propelling something through the air with a movement of the arm and hand. Frisbee is a type of flying disc used in various outdoor games. In its literal sense, throw a frisbee means to physically toss a frisbee disc in the air. It's a common activity in parks and beaches, known for being fun and engaging. In many English-speaking countries, playing with a frisbee is a popular recreational activity. It symbolizes leisure, outdoor fun, and camaraderie. Understanding this phrase also gives insight into a cultural pastime, highlighting the importance of outdoor activities in these societies. While the literal meaning is straightforward, the phrase can also be used metaphorically. For example, someone might say, "Let's go throw a frisbee," implying a desire to engage in a light-hearted, fun activity. It's a casual phrase, perfect for informal conversations. There are variations to this phrase, such as, "Fancy a game of frisbee? Let's toss a frisbee around." These variations retain the original meaning but add a bit of flavor and personality to the conversation. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, throw a frisbee, and its usage in English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's also about culture and context. Keep practicing, and you'll master these fun phrases in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.